All right, traders, let's break down yesterday's session. PureMO, that's pure momentum, was on fire, catching that upside rip with absolute precision. We're talking north of 100 points in gains, both trades to the upside. Look at this entry. We got in because the yellow line was close to the zero line, and the purple line crossed over and rose above the center threshold. That's PureMO doing what it does best, thriving in a market that's loaded with momentum. And when this happens, you're not just riding the market, you're locked in, right at the heart of the move. Here's the second trade. Same signals, same precision. PureMO doesn't miss. But here's the thing. PureMO is built for momentum. On days like this, it's the go-to indicator. When the market is trending hard, this tool shines. But let's be clear. If the market's cycling, if it's choppy, PureMO isn't your tool. Using PureMO in a cyclic market? That's like trying to use scalp Mo when the market's on a strong trend. Every tool has its place, and if you're not recognizing the environment, you're making it harder on yourself. Yesterday, PureMO did exactly what it was designed to do. It caught that momentum, nailed those gains, and kept you in the trade for the full move. If you missed out on this, let me tell you. You don't want to be missing the next one. So here's your chance. Take PureMO for a 7-day free test drive. Experience firsthand how it locks you into the momentum. The market's not slowing down, and neither should you. The link is in the description. Sign up and make sure PureMO is your tool for the next big move.